Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this today's video, I'll show you how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu machine. So Jenkins is a popular automation server used for continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step required to install Jenkins on Ubuntu. So first step is update your package lists. First, let's make sure our package lists are up to date by running the following command: sudo apt update. So coming to the second step, you need to install Java. So Java is the prerequisite for this Jenkins to run. So I'll be installing JDK 11. You can install JDK 22 or 17 also. That is up to you. Next step is add Jenkins repository key. We need to add Jenkins repository key to our system peering. So it is for the package verification. I'll provide this link in the description in this command. So coming to the step 5, you need to add the Jenkins repository. So copy this one. Again, I'll provide it in the description. So this command adds the Jenkins repository to the list of package sources used by the apt. Now, step 6, you need to update your package lists again. Sudo apt update. So once it is done, now we need to install Jenkins. Sudo apt install Jenkins -y. So once it is done, so coming to the step 8, check the Jenkins service status by typing the sudo systemctl status Jenkins. It is actively running currently. If it is not running, you can enable the Jenkins service by the following command: sudo systemctl enable --now Jenkins. Now coming to the step 10, retrieve the initial admin password. So let's retrieve the admin password generated by the Jenkins during the installation. Just copy this command: sudo cat var lib Jenkins secrets initial admin password. Just copy this password and put it somewhere. Head over to the browser and search for http localhost 8080. Initially it will ask you to type admin password. Copy the admin password from the previous. Continue. Can configure the proxy, can create a server, your own port, username, password. So that is up to you, and you can install the suggested plugins, or you can select the plugin to install. So this is the Jenkins. Finally, we have successfully installed Jenkins. So I will show you how to uninstall Jenkins on Ubuntu machine. So first step is you need to stop the Jenkins service. For that, type sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. So coming to the second step, you need to remove the package from the Ubuntu machine. For that, type sudo apt get remove -purge Jenkins. Now coming to the third step, now we need to remove the Jenkins configuration file. For that, type sudo rm -rf /dir/lib/jenkins. In coming to the fourth step, we have created a dedicated user account during installation. You can type this command sudo real user Jenkins. So finally, you need to remove the Jenkins repository. It is optional but recommended to do if you don't want to avoid conflicts in future, even if you want to install. So next, finally, you need to update the package on your Ubuntu machine. That's it. We have successfully uninstalled Jenkins from our system. To verify that, just check for the status of the Jenkins. Then see Jenkins service could not be found. So that means we have successfully uninstalled the Jenkins. Thank you.